This little bird. He'll do anything he can to get attention.
This right here is probably the best representation of what it's like to have a conure.
I'm usually in the office. He's messing with my mouse when I'm on the computer. Okay, why? When he's mad, he'll huff.
Want to get it out?
It was the funniest thing ever.
It's so bad.
Personally, don't know where he started that from. Before I got Bean, I was going to actually adopt another bird. And then I saw this little green man. He was the only one that wasn't flipping out. So I said, hey, can I see that bird? And the first thing he did was bite me. It was love at first bite. The first night, he was a little scared. So I did a lot of research, what the conures liked, what they didn't like. But I didn't know how fast he was going to warm up to me until it happened. He surprisingly jumped out of his cage onto my leg. Since then, we've been attached at the hip. He loves cuddling in sleeves. He shows that he loves me by purring like a little cat. One day, my wife turned on music and he just started bobbing. I was dying laughing. Now he does it all the time.
That's a good man and a great guy.
But Bean's personality, wow. He's kind of like an emotional teenager in a 3-year-old's body that could fly. Sometimes he's definitely moody, just because he's bored. Bean is an instant connection.
Ow!
You can just feel that love. This little bird trusts me so much. And I think that's like the most flattering thing. A little crazy, a little wacky, but love at first bite.